In today's Steve's Garage video, I'll be making the trunk of our XC90 just a little bit more useful. If you own an SPA XC90, I'm sure you're familiar with the cargo area. The right side has a tie-down latch up by the second row, a bag holder up high, the small recessed pocket area with an elastic band, another tie-down latch, and lastly a 12-volt power source. The left side has the same small tie-downs and bag holder, but no recessed cubby, just a small pocket area. When you lift up the floor, you get nothing but the toolkit and the spare tire, which is fine, but some more usability is always nice, and I'm a sucker for extra function where it can be added. And that's where this comes in. I've seen it as a few different part numbers and sometimes referred to simply as a floor hatch, but this specific one I bought is Volvo part number 323-53438, and can typically be found by searching something like cargo area bag holder. It adds a little more functionality to your cargo area and only takes minutes to swap out. I've included the name and part number in the description if you'd like to search for it. It's available from a couple different sites, so just find the best deal and purchase it from there. When you lift up the old floor panel, it pulls right off the hinges, then you take your new floor piece and install it the same way. Slide it into the hinge area on the floor, and you're all set. This new part has a small section that lifts up to reveal a large elastic band and two hooks. It also adds a latch to the floor panel that wasn't previously there. Instead of it being just a grab handle and the floor lifts up, it's now a small hinged handle that locks the floor down in place. When the section of floor is up, there's a small detent that sort of springs it into the upright position and then holds it there. I assume this is to ensure it doesn't fall down and crush all your groceries when you're leaving the parking lot in Polestar mode. It's a small item, but I'm happy I swapped it out. It's nice having the option to secure some groceries back there instead of them rolling around on the drive home. If there's something you've done to your Volvo to make it more useful, leave a comment. Functional mods are always great to share. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out some of my other XC90 tutorials here, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching.